Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about functions in Python. So here function is nothing but it is a subprogram which is used to perform specific task. Okay, so function is a subprogram which is used to perform specific task. So what is the advantage of functions means? So if you want to execute one statement repeatedly, okay, so if you want to execute one statement or group of statements repeatedly, then you need to use functions. Okay, so here functions are two types in Python. Functions are two types. One is user defined function and another one is predefined function. Okay, so let's talk about predefined function. So the name itself indicates predefined, means already defined functions are known as predefined functions. So predefined functions, for example, the examples of predefined functions is id. Id is one predefined function. So let's see, a is equals to 10. So next print a. So here print is a function which is used to execute, which is used to print the value of a. So let's execute this program. Yes. So what is the output? So here the output is 10. Why? Because the print function is used to print a value. Next, print type of a. So here type is a function which is used to return the data type of variable. Okay. So here it will return int, means it is a integer data type. The next one, print id of a. So id is function which is used to print the address of a. So let's execute this program. So here it will print the address of a. Okay. So here print type id, all these are known as predefined functions. So the task of these functions is already defined. Print is used to execute, type is used to return the data type, and id is used to return the address of a variable. Okay, so these are known as predefined functions. There are number of predefined functions in Python. Those are append, len, count, min, max, sort, okay, index, find. All these are known as predefined functions. So let's talk about user defined functions. So user defined function, you need to define the function and you need to define the task of function. Okay, so we already said that function is used to perform one specific task. So predefined functions, for predefined function the task is already defined, but for user defined functions you need to define the task of function. Okay, so the syntax for defining functions is def. So here you need to mention function name. Okay, so here I am taking function name. For example, function name is message, okay, or wish. The function name is wish. Okay, so inside function it contains function implementation. For example, print hello. Okay, so let's execute this program. Yes, what is the output? There is nothing. Okay, so output is nothing. So when function will execute, so function will execute when we call the function. Okay, so this is the function. So this function will execute its implementation when we call the function by using function name. So here the function name is wish. So if you call the function will execute the statement. So it will print hello. You can call this function in number of times. So again I am calling the function. Okay, so I am 3 times calling the function. So let's execute this program. So hello will print 3 times. Okay, hello will be printed 3 times. So the function main advantage is code repetition. Write code once, but you can call any number of times. So that is the function. So this is one simple function and its implementation. So let's talk about parameters. So the function contain parameters. Parameters are nothing but inputs to the function. Okay, so inputs to the function is known as parameters. Okay, if a function contains parameters, then at the time of calling you need to give values to parameters. So let's take, so this is the function. So inside parenthesis it contains the parameters. So I am taking parameter as name. So parameters are nothing but variable. Okay, so name is a variable. Here hello name comma good morning. Hello name comma good morning. Yes. Next, at the time of calling, you need to pass values to function. Okay, you need to pass values to variable. So here I am giving one value. Okay, so next I am giving, yes, let's execute. So the output is hello Durga, good morning, hello Ravi, good morning, and hello Ram, good morning. Okay. So here the message is same. Hello and good morning are same. But first I am calling wish function and passing parameters Durga. So name variable containing Durga. So it will print hello Durga, good morning. After that I am calling wish and passing Ravi. So name containing Ravi and it will print hello Ravi good morning, and after that I am calling wish function and passing parameter Ram. So it will print hello Ram good morning. So in this way we can pass n number of parameters to function. You can pass any number of parameters. So in the next class I will discuss about parameter types. Okay, so the next one is return statement. Okay, so function can take input values as parameters and execute and returns output. Okay, so it will take input and process the data, and after that it will return the output. So for that purpose we need to use return statement. So let's see. So here I am taking one function def add. So here I am taking a comma b are parameters. Next return a plus b. Okay. Next I am calling add function and passing parameters. Let's take our variable add of 3 comma 4. Okay, add of 3 comma 4, print r. Okay, so see this, def is a keyboard, add is a function name, a comma b are parameters, and return statement is used to return result to calling function. So this is known as calling function. Why? Because సో ఇక్కడ మనం కాల్ చేస్తేనే ఈ ఫంక్షన్ కి కాల్ వెళ్తుంది. సో యాడ్ అనే ఫంక్షన్ కి కాల్ చేస్తున్నాము అండ్ 3,4 అనే వేరియబుల్స్ ని వాల్యూస్ ని వేరియబుల్స్ కి పాస్ చేస్తున్నాం. Okay, so this is known as calling function and this is known as called function. So the output is returned from called function to calling function. So what is the output? 3 plus 4 is 7. So the 7 is stored in R and next we are printing R value. So let's execute this program. Yes. So what is the output? The output is 7. Okay. So here the return statement is used to return output to calling function. Okay. So in this way we can use return function, return statement. Okay. So I hope it is clear. So let's take one more example. So write a function to check whether the given number is even or odd. So let's take one function even. Okay. So next n. I'm taking one parameter n. If n percentage 2 equals to 0, then we can say print n is even. n is even, or else print n is odd. Okay. Next, I'm calling even function. Okay. And passing value that is nothing but 23. Okay. Passing value that is nothing but 23. Let's execute this program. So 23 is odd number. Okay. So see the logic here. So I'm calling even function and passing 23 as value. So n containing 23. So 23 divided by, modulo division 2. Okay. So 23 అనేది 2 తో divide అయినప్పుడు రిమైండర్ 0 రాదు. So it will return 1 as reminder. So that's why this condition is false. It goes to else and it will print n is odd. That is nothing but 23 is odd. Again I am calling the function and passing parameter that is 8. Okay. And again I am calling passing parameter 12. Again I am calling passing parameter 13. So let's execute this program. You can call one function any number of times. So here 23 is odd, 8 is even, 12 is even and 13 is odd. So in this way we can use functions. In the next class I will discuss about function parameter types. Okay. So I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.